Today more than ever, the need to drive food systems transformation cannot be overemphasized. We must move beyond business as usual approaches and embrace bold reforms that will make food systems more productive, resilient, inclusive, and sustainable. This transformation is essential to ensure food security in the country. It is important to acknowledge that the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR has made tremendous efforts by providing clear policy direction and fostering stronger collaboration with the states in the implementation of the Malabo Declaration. Over the past decade, the African Union's assessment of Nigeria's progress during the biennial review has shown that our country is making significant strides in the agricultural space.